Ever dreamt of quitting your day job and living solely off your investments? It's a tempting fantasy, fueled by financial gurus and sleek investment apps. But before you dive headfirst into the world of self-directed investing, there are some crucial realities to consider. One hot topic in the investment world is Raiz, a popular micro-investing app in Australia. It allows users to invest small amounts regularly, making it an attractive option for beginners. But a key question lingers: if you need that money, can you simply withdraw it from Raiz whenever you want? The flexible friend, understanding Raiz account types. Raiz offers different account types, each with varying withdrawal options. Let's explore the two most common ones. Raiz Invest. This account focuses on long-term wealth creation. Your money is invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. While there are no account fees, withdrawals come with a selling cost. Raiz sells a portion of your investments to generate the cash you need. This can impact your overall returns, especially with frequent withdrawals. Raiz Saver. This is a savings account with a higher interest rate than traditional banks. Withdrawals from Raiz Saver are generally free and unlimited. However, it's important to remember this account isn't designed for long-term growth, it's more for your short-term savings goals. The waiting game, understanding processing times. So, you've decided to withdraw from Raiz. Great. But before you picture yourself spending that cash immediately, be aware of processing times. Raiz typically takes 2 to 3 business days to process a withdrawal request. Then, depending on your bank, it might take an additional few days for the funds to appear in your account. Beyond Raiz, considering the bigger picture. While Raiz offers some flexibility with withdrawals, it's crucial to remember it's an investment platform, not a traditional bank account. Ideally, your investments in Raiz are for the long haul, building wealth for your future. Here's why. Market fluctuations. The stock market goes up and down. Frequent withdrawals during downturns can lock in losses. Compounding interest. The magic of investing lies in compounding interest, where your returns generate even more returns over time. Frequent withdrawals disrupt this growth potential. Building a balanced strategy. Alternatives for easy access funds. So, how do you balance your need for readily available cash with the long-term goals of investing? Here are some strategies. Emergency fund. Maintain a separate savings account outside Raiz specifically for emergencies. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Scheduled withdrawals. If you know you'll need a specific amount at a specific time, consider setting up a scheduled withdrawal plan. This allows you to take out a fixed amount regularly without disrupting your overall investment strategy. The bottom line: Raiz for growth, not instant access. Can you withdraw money from Raiz? Yes, but with some limitations. Raiz is a fantastic tool for long-term wealth creation, but it's not ideal for instant access to cash. Remember, building a secure financial future requires a balanced approach, combining investment strategies with readily available savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.